Let's just start out and say the finger cymbals and I were not friends.
I started zilling way back in the early aughts with my first dance teacher, my first dance class series, and I didn't know if I could do it.
And I'd played finger cymbals before, but I never really danced and played at the same time.
For me, before playing finger cymbals, learning zills, it was just like brooding. It was like, oh, it was just the most trying thing.
She helps you break it down in a sense that you understand, but also she helps you come up with something that you never thought you would do before, not just with the music, but also while dancing.
I think it's very nice because it's adapted to all levels, and even you can have videos for each stage of your progress with zills. It's also very fun.
Number one, the content is beyond fantastic. From beginners to you want to go crazy. It's great.
Break everything down to the very nitty gritty, like beginner level pieces, so where everything makes sense because it's so basic, and then layers it up until you all of a sudden you realize you're playing this really incredibly complicated thing that you never thought you would be able to do.
And this was perfect for me to learn to get over my trepidation of playing and dancing at the same time.
I've learned to create my own zill riffs. I have participated in a bunch of fun challenges, and I've connected with many amazing and supportive finger cymbal enthusiasts.
I actually feel like I've gotten stronger across the board with layering because I have been focusing and studying zills more.
The way she teaches us makes it a very safe learning environment. We are learning to count, we are learning the different sounds.
And she's one of the few instructors I've ever seen that embraces each person's personality so wholeheartedly.
The whole group is very encouraging. I mean, everybody has helped me a lot too.
And so just the community of just everybody supporting each other, you know, I'll keep doing it.
The structure, the accountability, the community, everything about it made it even more amazing.
It actually is about bringing musicality to it and using the different sounds in the zill and using what we're doing and putting it with our body and taking that dancerness and that musicianship and putting it together.
It honestly has everything you need to become an amazing zill star.
Spoiler alert, the Finger Cymbal Revolution is awesome.
And being a member of the Revolution, it's there 24/7. You can do it at your own pace. It's just awesome.
The community is always available. Questions, anything, everybody jumps in and everybody tries to help. If you're in that like super frustration mode and you post something, bam, somebody is there to help and kind of help you shift back into, okay, I can do this mindset.
I have noticed a difference in my tones, in my tempo as well. So I'm loving the whole aspect of it.
The zilling with the counts and how to incorporate that in the music has opened up so much more for me than I already had.
I've also been able to take on more challenging zill content outside of the Revolution and be wildly successful because of the foundational skills I built within.
And your path is your path, and you will continue to grow based on what it is that you want to learn.
I felt the zills they were a dying art, at least here. So it was good to fall back in love with them.
It's just so fun. And Sahira, she makes it even more fun.
Every time I pull out my zills, I get excited.
That's been such a game changer for me, is having that major shift in understanding and being able to learn the things that I need to learn to help me progress. I don't think I could have done that without Sahira and the Finger Cymbal Revolution. I just don't think that it would have happened.
Thank you so much, Sahira, for bringing the zills into my life and getting my fingers to play really well.
So I highly, highly recommend the Finger Cymbal Revolution for anyone who wants to up their zill game.
This is such an amazing opportunity. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend.
I love the Finger Cymbal Revolution. I just love it. I love it. I love it.
And thanks to Sahira and her membership, I honestly feel like a zill star every day.